bright sunny morning. Welcome to Margaret River. Remember to reduce your speed. Sebab every town you go to, speed limit akan drop like all of a sudden. Jadi this is 60. Usually in the small towns you drive at 60 or something, you know. But the drop is quite drastic. So hari ni kita nak go through Margaret River town. Beautiful Sunday today. Top tourism town. This is the park that first welcomes you. Sini ada walking trail juga. Quite a bit of walking trail. There is one pump station kat sini. So dah drop to 50 now. Ada satu je fuel station, tapi kat sini agak sikit mahal. Jadi kalau sebelum masuk ke Margaret River mungkin boleh top up dulu. So kat sini stretch of Margaret River town, on both sides you will see lots of shops. Kat Margaret River ni ada 3 supermarket, big supermarkets like IGA, Woolworth dengan Coles. Yeah, so you have a small, you know, small town, tapi banyaklah benda juga nak tengok. There's the pub, there's the tavern, pretty famous. Situ ada small Target shop. Kat sini semua restaurants. There's a few banks. If you need to withdraw some cash, which is not worth it obviously. Situ another tavern. That's Brumbies. Kat belakang tu Coles. Okay, we're gonna stop by because it's Sunday, so hari ni kita stop for markets. So it's a town square market.